Stick video like this, guys. Look at that from here. And then I clean already the tissue. Ayan. Yan na, guys. Cleaning. Yan. After the cleaning, you can clean also here. This is from humidifier, guys. It's winter time. You need to use the humidifier because if your house like mold, look at that. What doing this, guys? Oh, baby. Oh, see, you believe that, everyone? You can use that humidifier for that humidifier. And then, that's why. See, look at that. And then, if you want clean, you need to use this tissue first. See? Ayan. Yan, see guys, look at that. What is this? Yan. Grabe guys. 2 years not cleaning or 5 years. See, look at that on the floor. Okay. Sana oil. Yan. Yan. Yan guys. Ganyan ha, diba? Black. Very black. I show you this one guys. Look my hands. It's PRUOFW. Your hands very like this because you work hard. You need to work hard because for your family guys. Okay. I will show you guys that dust this one guys, dust from house or from the body of the human. Because from a humidifier is like okay. And now look at this. See, it's so dusty, too dusty guys. Yan. See, very easy to take out guys. Look at that. It's so yucky guys. Yan. Ganyan yan. Oh. Need to clean. See, very easy to clean if you know how to clean. If you see, look at that, what they're doing. I like the hold. Yan. See, very easy to take out. But look at that. My gulay guys. Ganyan guys ang gagawin mo. This is for, I teach you guys. After you use the humidifier, you need to clean. Not like this, no clean. I think how many years no clean this one guys. And also I need to clean also the aircon. We'll see if have aircon outside or what. Yan guys. So too much dusty guys. You see, look. Hey. Yan. See, it's clean already. You can see. What is the things very clean. If you see the clean, oh my god. What? Yan, guys. See? It's already clean. Okay, guys. Enjoy watching tayo dyan, guys. Everybody watch this. Yeah. It's clean na, guys. Oh, look at that. Oh, see? You see that before it's very dirty. Yan. And then now, this one. See? Very easy to clean if you know how to clean, guys, you know. So you can see that, guys. See, you can see now it's clean. It's clean now. Look. Just after you go clean with the tissue that dust, after you need to wash from the water. But I didn't show you the how I wash this. Very easy like that, guys. See, now it's clean. What is the different, guys? That what is the different from before and now? Look at that. See? The difference is like that, guys. You can see this one. Yan. See all? Enjoy watching, guys, and God bless us. I hope everybody is enjoy and always be happy. Even you are tired, sometimes you need to be happy, guys. I love you. Enjoy watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Kung nagusto na, if you like my videos, my upload, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. To all my subscribers, my silent viewers, my friends, my families, thank you so much. To those all my friends who watch my video, I appreciate, guys. Thank you so much and enjoy. God bless us. I hope everybody is happy. Happy New Year 2024, Year of the Dragon, guys. I love you. And God bless you more. This is the one. Okay, this I take out here. I take out already all dust, all dirty from this one. Okay. God bless you, guys. I love you all. I love you. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. God bless us. I hope 2024 is good for us. Okay. God bless us and always take care ourselves, love our family and ourselves. Thank you. God bless us. Enjoy watching. Okay. Okay, enjoy watching. And now, this is me. Hi. Enjoy watching and God bless us. I love you. Okay.